I think you may have spotted a gopher. What are you doing, Andre? Oh, so majestic. What did you find? Biggie boy. Yeah, big boy. Look at that face. Investigation inconclusive. Oh god. Dogus. Wogus detected. Not quite sure why she went down there. Just to lay facing this way. Where is bro going? Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Why does it look violet almost? Undertone. Doggy man. Hey bear. What are you doing, bear? When you're approaching the Dark Souls boss, it's Smaug and Orno or whatever. Do you got hammer? Huh? Nah. Nah, you would have a hammer. That's something you would do. Hey, cutie pie girl. Yeah, babies.
Ah, it's Satan, he's the beard of the Baphomet. Ah, from whence he hath emerged.
Hi, cute guy. What's up, little dude?
These two brothers. But let's get back
Oh, he's a lizard person. Look at him. It's Satan's dad. I don't know what I'm fucking talking about right now. Getting a little too silly. Why you got a map on your face? They are creatures for real. They are such entities. Okay, I see you with the subtle Instagram. Oh my god, I got these new yoga pants. Are they too green? What's up, dude? Oh, buddy. Took a boy. Creatures of the wild. Nature. Oh, they're having a conference or an orchestra. Something's going on. Frogress has been assembled.